This week, we continued to clean and work on our refit boat, motor vessel Hummingbird.
We were getting water pump or water for our sinks and stuff. This is the old pump right here. I went ahead and cut it off and checked the voltage. We're getting good voltage when it's on, so that means it was a bad pump. So we're just, the boat came with a spare. One of the few things I'm not having to buy for the boat. So we'll swap it in. We'll be good to go. So it's just pretty simple. Red wire to red wire, black to black. The key is you want to make sure you get the flow right. I was looking for the, this one tells you the flow with the arrows right there. Oh, and this one does too. Right there. Perfect. And this is the moment I got stuck. Seems to be happening more and more now these days. Okay, that's reconnected. Remount it. It's not going nowhere. What's up?
Nice.
Bathroom here. Well, you're gonna fall in the hole. Better not.
There's a hole down there? Let me see. Oh, next project.
Yep. So one of the issues with this boat was a soft floor right here. This wasn't tightened, so it would have a drip when it would rain, and it would drip straight down on the floor right here, and it just over time rotted away. So the nice thing is this was a separate piece for access, so it wasn't touching the subfloors in the other rooms, and so these are all still good. But I had to pull all this up and pull it out. It was moldy and rotted, and so we're going to put new framing in here, and then new subfloor, and then the hatch will go back in the middle here for access. Got it. So that will sit on top of those. I cut a piece of plywood to go around, fill in this, and then cut my hole out for my hatch. There she is. We'll secure these ones down, and then when we carpet it, it'll fit in there perfect.
Meanwhile, while Chris is doing mechanical stuff and subflooring, I'm just doing the cleaning on our main ship that we're refitting, which the name of that boat is called Hummingbird, by the way. My kids are here. Chase is making a lunch. And Caleb, what are you doing?
Picking up everything.
And Carter, why are you so tired today?
Boy Scouts all-nighter.
And you were up all night long? Have you napped at all today?
Yeah, like 2 hours.
And my job is split between being a mom and getting the boys lunch, breakfast, homeschool, all their activities, and then taking Chris tools and boxes and helping clean and kind of being his support on the boat. So I go back and forth in the marina all day long. And he just gets sweaty in that engine room all day long.
I'm sorry, what?
What are you working on?
Last bilge. Last bilge pump. And yeah, so then we'll have all 3 bilges. I need to put new battery ends on the end of the battery cables and secure some wires down here, and then this bilge area is ready to go. And then I'm on to the starboard engine and the generator. Manual.
Aft?
Yep.
Manual?
There you go. Flip it off. Or auto.
Auto?
Okay, do it again.
Manual?
Okay, auto.
Auto?
Okay.
It's working?
Yep.
Great.
Alright, DJ, hit it.
There was a quick pause on some of the maintenance on the boat, and I'll show you why. Off these cushions on the top deck, and I found, oh, I don't know if I can do it. I found a whole wasp nest back there. It's huge. And now they're all dead all over. Because I'm allergic to wasps, so the second I saw that, I jumped off the boat, ran to Lowe's, got my wasp killer, killed the wasps. Now I'm back inside, getting ready for more boat work. So this morning I did these are the panels that go around the windows, and I was gonna try and cover them. So I covered one. I'm making a mess. So I covered one in gray, and I hated it. So I'll show you what it looked like, and then I'll show you what I've decided to do instead. Okay, so I covered this. Oh, it's not quite straight, but I put it on, and I just don't think it matches or looks good. So I came up with another idea. So instead of recovering all of those, which then would block a lot of the light, and I want to let the light in, so then I got just plain wood. So we're going to cut it to fit, and then I'm going to screw it up there and then stain it, so it's going to be closer to that cabinet look. Of course, if this is my boat, I would paint everything a totally different color, but we're just trying to get it shaped up and nice, because we have a lot of work to do still on the engines and the generator and the bathroom. Haven't even touched the bathroom yet. So, one thing at a time. So here's the gray option that I refabricated and did that. Not a big fan, to be honest. And here is option 2, the second one, with just the wood without the gray. With the chunk that I cut off the end to make it fit, I took wood finish, wood stain in golden oak is the color that I used. And I took that little tiny chunk I cut off, and I'm testing it. So I'm going to wait 5 minutes and then wipe it off and see if it's a color I like, if it matches the rest of the boat. Otherwise, I guess I got to go back to Lowe's and buy a different color stain. What are you doing, Chase?
Getting on Anna's shoulders
What for?
to take these lights out.
So
No.
Just go straight. Yep. You got it. Go
forward,
Uh-huh.
which this way's forward.
Okay.
No.
A little to the
Are you coming
right.
to this light? Okay.
Then you grab it,
Yep.
A little
he's got
more.
spin it, and it should fall right down. Monkey.
That's a monkey.
You got it?
it. It's not
I can't spin it.
Right,
That way.
left,
That
right,
Right.
right.
Right. A little backwards.
A little bit more.
A little more right.
You're good. You're holding your balance awesomely, dude.
Dude, you got it.
Okay. Can
There
you
are
take
2
the
screws.
no? Can you
No,
take
just
the bulb
the
out?
bulb out, driver. You know, you go backwards. Hold on, Hannah. He's just doing this without even holding on.
Here
There you go.
Can we give you another light to put in there?
No.
Okay.
Well, if you have it right now, sure.
Yes, Kayla, down there.
Okay.
Okay, can you put it in without breaking it?
Yeah. I know. A little right.
A little right.
One step back.
1 step back. 2 steps this time.
Cha-cha, real slow.
Come on. Can you turn around?
Which way?
180 degrees.
Ooh. Kid's
Okay,
technical
forward a
now.
little.
I can't hear you. You're plugging my ears.
Forward 1 step.
Okay.
Oh, look at that.
Alright.
Forward.
Watch your feet. Welcome to Talking from Our Raft. Right now we're in the Cocoa Beach area, and we're going to tell you what sports we do. Because, you know, we live on a boat, and people probably have questions. Also, I'd like to welcome Edo. He lives on Discipleship across from us, and he helped us make badges, which are really tasty.
What are
You
they?
know what they are?
They got Chase out of bed this morning.
Okay. But for sports, I do rock climbing, and if we ever find a pool that we can swim in, I will swim. And rock climbing is really fun. We do bouldering, which is like just climbing without a rope that maybe go 10 feet high at the max. And then yesterday we started the auto belayers, which means like the rope that automatically pulls you up as you climb. And Caleb, what sports do you do?
I'm going to do baseball, and I also do Nerf Wars. It's basically capture the flag, but instead of tagging someone to get them out, you have to shoot them with a Nerf gun.
What I am doing is I did flag football already for an entire season. It was good. I assume we got like dead last. And then I'm going to do winter flag football, as well as hopefully soccer or something during the summer. I've also tried surfing.
Did you like it?
It was good for what it was, but...
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with all your friends. Ready? And don't forget,
Enjoy the journey!